Good afternoon and welcome to our class today. My name is Didi. I'll be guiding on some basic skill that you may need to grow your business, and we're here to guide you on basic skill that encourages and helps your business to grow to any aspect, to any area you want it. I'm Didi and I'm training you from Kevans Global Digital Institute, where we train the mind and also train the hands for successful living. The world have grown so well that from your comfort of your zone, you can grow your business and make out a lot for yourself. And this tutorial is meant to guide you on so many digital skills. We are the best training institute that guides you on digital skills, digital marketing, and all so many things that will help you grow your business. In this tutorial, we'll be guiding you. I'll be guiding you on some certain basic areas. This is Kevans Training Institute. Our mission is to raise like 50 million African businesses, leaders in business, by helping them to grow their business. Yes, helping them to grow their business from the scratch, beginning from wherever they are starting. That is our goal. We want to raise leaders in business that will grow their business and use it and grow others. Then we are into business training. If you look at, first thing we'll do for you is that we'll guide you in grow how you can grow your business. That's the first thing you are going to do for you. Now you can grow your business and use it for your life, grow and maximize from the scratch. Second thing is that we train you on graphic designing. Like from the experience, we have a global press and publishers where we produce, we run printing industry. So we are going to, from the professionals in that industry, we teach you on how to do a graphic designing, a portable graphic design you can use to start off. You can use it for your business, designs for your business, designs for your brand, design for your whatever. So we are here to guide you on how to do a graphic design with your phone. Then we also guide you on this, how you can build a portable website. The world is growing so digital that you need a site where you drive traffic to your business. So now we are going to be guiding on how you can develop a portable website for your business. Then also we'll be guiding on what to refer to as digital marketing. Gone are the days when you need to print flyers, posters to place around. Now the world is so globally connected that you can use a digital marketing strategy and sell your businesses in Ghana, in Nigeria, in South Africa, in any part of the world. So that's the essence of digital marketing training. Also, we are going to be guiding you on printing and publishing. We have run an industry in printing that we can teach you on how to run this business with or without capital. Then for the sake of this tutorial, basically we'll be teaching you, this tutorial is only based on basically on how to run Facebook ads for your business, how to run Facebook ad for your business. You need to know how to generate income, make millions with your phone. So this is why I have to make targets how to make millions with your phone, is because you may think this tutorial is not for me because I don't have a laptop, I don't